By the end of this video, you will know how to invest in a smart portfolio on eToro. Start from your eToro account homepage. On the left side of the screen, find the navigation menu and click Discover. This opens the area where eToro groups investment ideas, markets, and curated options in one place. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the categories are fully visible before moving on. Inside Discover, look for the Smart Portfolios category and open it. This section is where eToro lists portfolios that combine multiple assets or traders under one strategy. Once you are in the category, you will see different groups of portfolios to browse through. Take a moment to choose a portfolio that fits what you want to invest in. You may see thematic portfolios built around sectors or trends, partner portfolios created with outside firms, and top trader portfolios based on selected investors. Scroll through the available options and open the one you want to review. The goal here is to select the specific smart portfolio you want to add to your account. On the portfolio page, review the information before investing. Check the strategy so you understand what the portfolio is built to track or target. Look at the asset allocation to see how the holdings are distributed. Review the historical performance section for past results, keeping in mind that it describes prior performance only. Also note the risk score shown on the page, along with the rebalancing schedule, so you know how often the portfolio is adjusted over time. Once you have reviewed those details and decided to continue, click Invest on the Smart Portfolio page. This opens the investment window where you can enter your amount and confirm the order. Make sure you are on the correct portfolio before continuing, especially if you open more than one tab while comparing options. Enter the amount you want to invest. eToro will show the minimum required investment for that specific portfolio, and your amount needs to meet or exceed that minimum. Type in the amount carefully and check that it matches what you intend to commit. If the platform updates any related details on screen, such as estimated allocation or total cost, pause briefly and read through them. When everything looks correct, review the investment details one more time. Confirm the amount, confirm that you are investing in the intended smart portfolio, and then click Invest to complete the order. After the order is submitted, the smart portfolio is added to your portfolio in your eToro account. Your smart portfolio investment is now added to your eToro portfolio.